Okay, so this is startup at ATT showing the high RPM upon startup. The temperature outside is 48 degrees. Today is Thursday, March 26th. As you can see, the RPMs are sitting up at almost 1.5. So as you can see, the temperature says 49 degrees. If you watch the RPMs closely, you can see them bouncing. And now it's finally starting to wind down. Still not where it needs to be. Three minutes. Over 3 minutes. That's how long it takes for the RPMs to drop down from where they're not even supposed to be at. and it makes a smoky smell. Whatever that smell is, I don't know, and it's been doing it for a while now. Like a burn, like something's burning. So, that's that. Turn on the AC and that's when the smoke comes out, so. Or the heater, whatever. It stinks. So, there you have it. That's the crappy startup on the Audi TT. Thanks.